Hey, tech fans! Welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. We've got some thrilling updates for all you smartphone lovers out there. The OnePlus 12 is making waves, and we've just caught a glimpse of its camera prowess. OnePlus China's very own Li Jia Lewis blessed us with a sneak peek, sharing 3 eye-catching snaps of a coffee shop, each taken from different distances. These shots not only show off the camera's zoom but its ability to capture life's moments with stunning clarity. So, why is everyone buzzing? These teasers hint that the OnePlus 12 could be hitting shelves sooner than we thought, potentially dropping as early as November. That's right, we might not have to wait until December to get our hands on this beauty. Now, let's dive into the camera specs that are getting everyone excited. The OnePlus 12 is rumored to be packing a periscope telephoto camera, a true game-changer. Picture this, taking crisp, detailed photos from afar, all thanks to the OmniVision OV64B 64-megapixel lens. With 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, blurry shots might just become a thing of the past. And there's more. OnePlus is joining forces with Sony to bring us the LYTIA image sensor. We're talking a 50MP Sony IMX966 sensor for capturing moments with incredible detail and vibrancy. Plus, an ultra-wide 48-megapixel Sony IMX581 lens is on board for those breathtaking wide shots. It sounds like the OnePlus 12 is shaping up to be a photographer's dream. Keep it locked here for more OnePlus 12 news, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for all things tech. Excited about the camera upgrades or something else? Drop us a comment below and share your thoughts.